This is our iCam 365 app wellness people video doorbell, and now we have the 3 megapixel and change to Type-C charging port. This is micro TF card slot on our button and install like this. And this is the 3 meters charging cable, screw bags, and user manual. And we'll check the video of this product.
Camera starts up. Wait for user config.
The Smart Mini Digital Peephole Door Camera is a cutting-edge security solution for homes, apartments, offices, and hotels. Featuring a 3MP resolution camera and a large 4.3-inch LCD screen, this device provides a sharp and clear view of your doorway. With a 140 degrees wide-angle lens, it ensures comprehensive coverage, giving you a full picture of who is at your door. One of its standout features is the PIR motion detection system. The camera automatically detects movement within a 3 to 4 meter range and sends notifications to your smartphone via the iCam 365 app. This allows you to monitor visitors, record events, and enhance security at any time. However, note that the door camera only supports one-way communication. You can hear the visitor, but they cannot hear you. The device operates wirelessly with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and offers local storage via a TF card, up to 128 gigabytes, as well as optional cloud storage. The built-in 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance, with up to 2 months of standby time under normal usage. The camera is also IP65 waterproof, making it suitable for outdoor installation. Unlike traditional doorbell cameras, this model does not feature a doorbell button. Instead, the monitor can be activated manually by pressing the home button. The screen is portable and can be continuously charged, providing flexibility in placement and use.